Hi guys, yet again welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today I am gonna make a raita. It also falls in the salad category, so it's salad or raita, anything you can name it. It's made from a vegetable, red in color, blood red. This vegetable is called beetroot, and I'm gonna make beetroot raita or salad. Coming back to beetroot, it's such a versatile vegetable loaded with nutrients and minerals, but it has not got its share into our vegetable drawers. We don't actually devour this, which we have to. The color is magnificent of this vegetable. It's loaded in minerals and vitamins. Still, it is not so much devoured in our Indian homes, which we should. So, today I thought I should get this vegetable into my recipe, and it's going to be really awesome. Preparation time is max 10 minutes. So let's go to my kitchen and start learning how to make this recipe. You can serve it with the rice chapatis, any dish you are preparing. Just serve it, and it will change the dining table का पूरा look. This raita takes that attention. So let's go and start learning it. Beetroot raita or salad, my way. So we start making our beetroot raita or salad. These are the ingredients. This is grated beetroot. I have grated it and given it and put it in boiled water, and then I've removed the water. The water which I had put also was very less. Just in boiled water I have put it to make it a bit soft. And then this is 2 bowls of curd. This is coriander. These things are for tempering. Curry patta. This is chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, hing. These are mustard seeds, and this is zira. So we start making our rice. So first we start with dry roasting the whole zira. So I've taken a pan and I switched on the gas, and now I would just roast it for 2 seconds or something like that, so that I can prepare a powder of this. Little more I would take because I have to grind it in the grinder, so I need volume. Okay, so by the time this is getting roasted, because we want to prepare a powder out of this, I would come back to the raita or salad. This is grated beetroot. I would be putting the entire grated beetroot. These are 2 small beetroots which I have grated, and now the entire color of the yogurt or the dahi would change into a totally red color. So just give it a good mix. I had already whisked the curd and kept it before. So this has got ready. This is the closer look of the raita. Just totally turned into a strawberry color raita. Though it's the beetroot, but it's given a strawberry color to the entire thing. So this is done. We go back to the zira, which has been roasted well. It leaves aroma which we come to know that has been roasted. Comes a bit this way. Okay, so I'm switching off the gas, and now I would grind it in the grinder and get a powder out of this. So this is the zira powder which I have prepared. Usually when you make raitas, I prefer to make the fresh masala because it really gives the best delicious taste. Now, so we have prepared this. This is the only masala which will go in the raita. Now we come back to the tempering, which is the last step. Okay, so in the tempering pan, I have taken around 1.5 spoon of oil, and now I would be putting the curry pattas first. Just then the hing goes, then little bit of mustard seeds, little bit of, then little bit of zira, whole zira, then goes the chopped ginger, Then goes the chopped chilies, and a beautiful tempering is getting ready for an awesome raita. Just swirl it and keep the pan a bit up than the flame of the gas, because mustard seeds crackle very fast and rest things take time. So this, give it a heat at a higher level. This way. Just keep on swirling and it's getting done. Yes, it has got done now. Just put it on high and then we are done. So now I would be putting this tempering on the raita or our salad. Give it a mix. You would be thinking that this is called a salad as well. Yes, because I have used olive oil, the healthier version of salad. So you can go for that. If you don't have that, then put in less oil for tempering. But tempering is necessary in this raita or salad. Okay, then we season it with salt. And then goes the one thing which I have just prepared. This is Zeera powder, freshly grounded Zeera powder. Give it a mix. It is looking very nice. And then the last but not the least, how can anything be going to be incomplete without coriander dressing? So just a bit of it. So it's a bed, I would say a strawberry color bed, decorated with some greens. It's looking wonderful. Okay, it's that much good in taste as well. So this completes our recipe. I hope you liked it, and we'll be coming up with something more healthy, more good, more tasty, which could tickle your taste buds. For now, I would take your leave. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and we'll get back soon. Stay fit, stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.